Hello, I am Yashasri Patel. So my project's aim is to encrypt the data which are coming from the users. Basically, we use the similar kind of method to encrypt the data in previous semester's SGP project. This is the demo version of it. First of all, let's discuss what is RSA. RSA it's an asymmetric cryptographic algorithm, which means that there are two different keys. First is public key and another is private key. This is also known as public key cryptography because one of the keys is just shared between the two of the uh, endpoints, or we can say sender and receiver. So uh, let's understand the mechanism behind the RSA. First, we take two prime numbers. Here I take 7 and 11, then multiply two of them to get the variable n, which is 77 in our case. Now assume the small exponent e, which will lie between 1 and phi of n, which is a phi of 77. Let's assume e is equal to 3 for current situations. Now we are ready with our public key, which is n is equal to 77 and e is equal to 3. So the encryption of any number m will be m raised to e. Here it is raised to e mod n. So we take the number 89, which means 89 raised to e, 89 raised to 3 more 77 is equal to 166, which is our ciphertext C. So let's go through the code. So I use cryptography module to perform RSA encryption algorithm. To generate the two keys, we can call the RSA.generate private key function with some general parameters like public key exponent and key size. Here I use default backend, but if we did not mention any backend, it will take a default backend automatically in any cryptographic operation. The public key will be found in the object that holds a private key, which holds the creation of private key. After that, I store both of the keys in .pem file. .pem file, which is a standard file format to storing the cryptographic key, that is privacy enhanced mail PEM. Here I used serialization module to store the keys, which contains functions for loading the keys from bytes. PKCS8, here PKCS8 is the eighth of public key cryptographic standard and is a syntax for storing private key material. Same as the private key, I stored public key in public key.pem file. Now it's time to reading the both of the keys to perform the encryption. So we read both of the keys in the variable called private key and public key respectively. And for the encryption, I uses the padding and has this module. Uh, First of all, we take the data from test.txt file, which is here. You can see that it's a normal text saying I'm Yashasri, I want to become UX engineer. So we take the data from the text file, which is our plain text. We named it a message, and and using padding, we are using padding which prevent cryptanalyst from using the predictability to find known plain text and uses SHA-256 hash algorithm for the encryption. MGF is a mask generation function of a variable length. MGF and hash function both are similar, but unlike hash, MGF uses variable length, whereas hash is of a fixed length. After that, I store the final output to the file called rsa.encrypted.txt, and here we can say that here we can see that the text is encrypted. See that, and this is the public key .pem file which contains public key, and this is private key .pem file which contains private key. Same as the public key, same as the encryption, we decrypt the encrypted message. Here I am storing this decrypted message in another file so we can understand what is, how really it works, and it will return the original message again in the file called rsa.decrypted. So it will be easier to understand. It is taking while. Here we can see that original message is retrieved. So text, it is test.txt which is our original file, it is rsa.encrypted which is our encrypted file, and it is rsa.decrypted which is our decrypted file again, in which we can see that original message is retrieved. So this is my code, and lastly, if you want this code, it is in the description below. #always be a learner. Thank you.